Hello, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we'll be making some soft chocolate chip biscuits. Let's jump right into this. These are the ingredients you're going to need to make these amazing biscuits. You'll need 125 grams of butter, 1 capful of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 of a cup of chocolate buttons, half a cup of brown sugar and 2 cups of plain white flour. Now grab your chocolate buttons and dice them up roughly. Let's grab the 125 grams of butter, put it in a microwave safe bowl and soften for about 20 to 30 seconds. Now add the half a cup of sugar and mix it together until it is well combined. Now grab an egg and add that to the butter sugar mixture, and then grab the capful of vanilla essence and add it and mix them together until thoroughly combined in the mixture. Now add the chopped chocolate buttons to the mixture along with the baking powder and flour. Now combine all the ingredients together and make sure that's done thoroughly so there is no flour left in the bowl. Grab small clumps of mixture and roll them into balls and fill up the tray with them. Then grab a fork and press onto the balls to create the amazing pattern. Now, make sure you have an oven on at 180 degrees fan bake. Put them in for around 12 to 15 minutes, and once they're done, they'll be either golden brown or just spring back lightly to the touch. After 5 or so minutes, take them off the tray and transfer them to a wire rack to finish cooling. Be very careful, they are very easy to break during this stage. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a subscribe and hit the bell icon to make sure you're always up to date with a kitchen or gaming video when it is released. Also, head over to the Kitchen Gamer Facebook or Instagram page to show your take on the chocolate chip biscuit.